In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Shopify address. If you're trying to keep your storefront clean or you simply don't want your business address displayed publicly, this quick walkthrough will show you how to remove it from your theme without touching any code. We'll work entirely inside your Shopify admin and theme editor so you can see changes in real time as you go. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and choose Online Store, then select Themes. This takes you to the area where your active theme lives and where you can control how your storefront looks. Find your current theme at the top of the page and click Edit to open the theme editor. This is the visual workspace with a live preview on the right and a list of sections on the left. Any change you make here will show up instantly in the preview, which makes it easy to confirm you're removing the right information. Next, open the footer section. Most themes place business contact details in the footer, so this is the most common place to find your address. Inside the footer settings, look for something labeled address, contact information, store information, or a similar block. Depending on your theme, it might appear as dedicated address fields or as part of a text or rich text block that contains your mailing information. When you find the address content, remove it. You'll typically see one of two options: either delete the address text that's in the field or uncheck a setting like show address. Both approaches remove the address from displaying on your storefront. If your theme has a toggle, unchecking it is the fastest. If it's plain text, simply clear it out. Watch the preview on the right to confirm the address disappears as you make the change. Once the address is no longer visible in the preview, click Save. Saving locks in the change across your live storefront. If you don't see a Save button at first, look to the top right of the editor. It's usually there and it may highlight when there are unsaved changes. That's it, you've hidden your address from your storefront using your theme's built-in settings. Keep in mind this affects only what customers see on your site. It doesn't change your account's business details or shipping origin. If you switch themes later, repeat these same steps in the new themes footer to keep your address hidden.